Hey everyone, welcome back to Startup Sparks. Today we're exploring the incredible journey of John Koum, the co-founder of WhatsApp. From humble beginnings to building one of the most widely used apps in the world, this story is packed with inspiration. Let's dive in. 1. John Koum's early life. John Koum was born in 1976 in a small village near Kyiv, Ukraine. Life wasn't easy. His family faced financial struggles and political instability. At 16, Jan immigrated to the United States with his mother, seeking a better future. They settled in California, living off food stamps and struggling to make ends meet. But despite these hardships, Jan developed a passion for computers. He taught himself programming by borrowing manuals from a local store and practicing for hours. This self-taught skill would later change his life. 2. The idea for WhatsApp. After working as an engineer at Yahoo for nearly a decade, Jan left the company in 2007. He wanted to create something meaningful. Together with his friend and former Yahoo colleague Brian Acton, Jan came up with the idea for WhatsApp in 2009. The goal? A messaging app that was simple, reliable, and secure. An app that could help people connect without barriers. The name WhatsApp was a playful twist on the phrase, "What's up?" 3. Simplicity at its core. Jan's vision for WhatsApp was all about simplicity. No ads, no games, no clutter, just pure messaging. He believed that the app should serve users, not advertisers. This philosophy resonated with people around the world, especially in countries where texting was expensive. By focusing on user experience and keeping the app lightweight, WhatsApp became an instant hit. Its simple design made it accessible to everyone, from tech-savvy teens to older generations. 4. Overcoming challenges. But the road wasn't easy. In the early days, WhatsApp struggled with funding and technical issues. The team worked tirelessly to improve the app, even when servers crashed under the weight of growing users. Their persistence paid off. WhatsApp began gaining traction, first in emerging markets and then globally. By 2013, it had over 200 million active users. 5. The Facebook deal. In 2014, WhatsApp made headlines when Facebook acquired it for a jaw-dropping $19 billion. It was one of the largest tech acquisitions in history. Despite the deal, Jan and Brian ensured WhatsApp stayed true to its roots, prioritizing privacy and avoiding ads. 6. Jan Koum's legacy. Jan stepped down from WhatsApp in 2018, but his legacy lives on. WhatsApp revolutionized communication, making it easier and more affordable for people to stay connected. With over 2 billion users today, it's one of the most influential apps ever created. John's story is a powerful reminder that innovation can come from anywhere, even a small village in Ukraine, and that perseverance can turn a simple idea into a global phenomenon. John Koum's journey shows that success isn't just about having a big idea. It's about solving real problems and staying committed to your vision. What's your favorite WhatsApp feature, or how has it changed the way you communicate? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories here on Startup Sparks. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sparking change.